Well, the Fed did it. They decided not to continue to raise interest rates. And by that, again, we are talking about the federal funds rate. What does that do to you as a consumer? Once again, that'll help your pocketbook at the end of the day. Now we are going to go in the opposite direction. At least that is the expectation. A lot of you folks that are sitting on the fence deciding whether or not you should buy, a couple things. First, let's talk about market appreciation, which is super important to discuss. In 2022 to 23, for the most part, across the United States, we're still seeing anywhere between 3 to 6% year-over-year growth. With the recent rates being as high as 8% in the last couple of months, that certainly slowed that month-to-month appreciation. But while in some areas it was flat and in some it went slightly negative, we are still seeing year-over-year appreciation. With the interest rates coming down, my friends, remember that as interest rates come down, more of you are going to get off the fence and consider moving forward on purchasing a home. As of right now, we are seeing sub 7% interest rates depending upon what type of loan it is. And one other thing, let's not forget about the buy down and how to utilize the buy down, be it you pay for it or it's paid for by the seller. There are buy downs where you can buy the interest rate down for up to 3 years. The most common one that is used is the 1-year buy down. It's a little bit cheaper, but still gets that interest rate fixed for 1 year lower, and for the second year it'll adjust to that market rate. By then, the interest rates will be lower, at which point in time you will likely have refinanced either at a no cost or low cost loan to capitalize on what that future interest rate is going to look like. So, 2024 projections, my friends. We got a good Christmas present right here in 2023. The feds are recognizing that they did not need to increase the interest rates, and in fact, they are now talking about cutting interest rates into 2024. So with that being said, keep an optimistic approach to your home purchase in 2024. And if you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out to us as we are happy to help. Take care, and we'll talk to you again soon. This is Josh with the Mottashed Lending Group. Bye-bye.